Hello my bright friends, welcome to this lecture, 13th lecture on the topic of dissolution. This is the second problem in which I am going to consider the situation of all partners being insolvent. In the previous problem I have considered the steps to be followed, how the usual method of dissolution is changed when all the partners are insolvent. Now we are going to consider one more variety of problems in the same situation. Let us start with the problem. Following is the balance sheet of Messrs. Rane, Kane and Mane as on 31st of March 2019. Capital of Rane, Kane, sundry creditors and Rane's loan. So this is, in the previous problem we were having creditors and bank loan was secured. In this problem we are not having bank loan, but we are having Rane's loan, that is a partner's loan. Partner's loan must be paid after making payment of outside liabilities. So in the previous problem creditors suffered and bank loan enjoyed full money, whereas in this problem Rane is not a secured creditor. In fact, Rane is a partner, that means he will be paid after making payment of sundry creditors. So this is a new variety of problem. Furniture, debtor, stock, cash, capital account of Mane, which is having a debit balance. Due to inability to pay the creditors, the firm is dissolved. Kane and Mane could not pay anything. Rane can contribute only rupees 3,000 from his private estate. Stock realized rupees 30,000, debtors realized rupees 32,000 and furniture is sold for rupees 2,000. Realization expenses amounted to rupees 6,000. Prepare necessary ledger accounts to close the books of the firm. So let us consider the observations that there are three partners and their PSR is not given, that means it is assumed to be equal. Rane has given a loan to the firm, but Rane's loan is not a secured loan. It should not be treated like bank loan. It should be paid after making payment of outside liabilities. If outside liabilities are still remaining unpaid, that means our cash is insufficient to pay outside liabilities, then Rane cannot get even a single rupee. Okay, and then all partners are insolvent. I think Kane and Mane could not bring anything, and this Mr. Rane could contribute only rupees 3,000 from his private estate. Okay, so this problem is basically of all partners being insolvent. Nothing is realized from private estate of Kane Mane, whereas 3,000 are recovered from the estate of Rane. If all partners are insolvent, then we have seen what are the steps to be considered. Transfer assets to realization account as usual. So all these assets, that is furniture, debtors and stock, will be transferred to realization account debit side. Cash will be transferred to cash account debit side. Capital account of Mane will be transferred to partners capital account debit side, Mane column. Then liabilities, outside liabilities, transfer outside liabilities to separate account and not to realization account. So we'll have to consider sundry creditors account and Rane's loan account. Those two accounts will have to prepare separately, and their balances should not be transferred to realization account, but they should be transferred to their separate account. Then realize the assets. So all these assets sold entries we will be considering. Pay the realization expenses, which are rupees 6,000 in this problem. Then close realization account. Before paying outside liabilities, close realization account. Find out profit or loss. Transfer it to all partners in their PSR. In this problem it is equal. Close partners capital account after receiving cash, if any, from their private estate. I think Rane is bringing rupees 3,000 from his private estate. Kane and Mane bringing nothing. Pay off the liabilities from remaining cash and bank. Cash and bank account will tally. Then close outside liabilities account. So creditors and Rane's loan account will be closed by us thereafter. Transfer balance if any to deficiency account. Then close partners capital account. Transfer the balance if any to deficiency account, and then the deficiency account should tally. So these are the points to be kept in mind when we are thinking of solving the problem. Let us start drawing the ledger accounts first. What are the ledger accounts? Realization account for 12 to 15 lines. Creditors account 4 to 5 lines. Rane's loan account 4 to 5 lines. Bank account 8 lines as usual. Deficiency account 4 to 5 lines. Partners capital account 8 lines. I'm repeating again, outside liabilities should not be transferred to realization account. It means outside liabilities must be transferred to their own separate ledger account. That's what we have done. So pause the video, draw the accounts, and once you have drawn the account, resume the video to start the solution with me. Okay, so let us start now. First step, open necessary ledger accounts is over. Second step is now transfer of assets and liabilities. Let me start with the liability side first. Liability side is telling you capital account of Rane, Kane 10,000 and 6,000 by balance brought down. Okay, let me change the name of the partners capital here. It is, what is the name? Rane, Kane and Mane. Rane, Kane and Mane. These are the names of the partners capital, and here it is not a bank account but it is cash account, because in this problem there is no bank column, but there is no bank information, but there is cash information. So 10 and 6 are the amounts of partners capital. 10 and 6 are the amounts of partners capital. Okay, so that will be transferred to partners capital account credit side. Buy balance brought down. $10,000 and 6,000. Next point, sundry creditors and Rane's loan. Now this is all partners insolvency problem. That means it should be transferred to a separate ledger account. As usual, it should not be transferred to realization account credit side, but it should be transferred to a separate ledger account. What is the reason? Because all partners are insolvent. If all partners would not have been insolvent, then we would have transferred outside liabilities to realization account. But here it will be transferred to separate account. Buy balance 80,000, buy balance 20,000. Let me disappear from the screen so that you can see the things. Buy balance brought down. Here is 20,000. Okay, then comes the next point. Here we have completed the liability side of balance sheet. Let us start with the asset side. Furniture, debtors, stock, cash and capital account. Cash will go to cash account debit side. To balance brought down 2,000. Mane's capital account will go to Mane's capital account debit side 20,000. Then furniture, debtors and stock, let me write to realization account debit side to sundry assets. Furniture, debtors and stock, the amount is 6, 40 and 48. 6, 40 and 48. Let us take the total to the outer column. 6 plus 40 is equal to 46. 46 plus 48 is equal to 94. So outer column is 94,000. Okay. Next part. First step, open necessary ledger account is over. Second step, transfer of assets and liabilities is over. This is all partners insolvency problem, so liabilities are transferred to separate account. Next step now, realize the assets. Third step is realize the assets. So let us start with realization of assets. They have told you that stock realized 30,000, debtors realized 32,000 and furniture is sold for rupees 2,000. So 30,000, 32,000 and 2,000. Cash is coming in. Debit what comes in? Cash account debit side to realization. Cash account debit side to realization account. Amount is not known to us. Realization account credit side by cash account. Furniture, debtors and cash, and stock. Furniture, debtors and stock. What is the amount of furniture we are considering here? The amount, stock realized 30, debtors realized 32, stock 30, debtors 32, stock 30, debtors 32, stock 30, debtors 32 and furniture is sold for rupees 2,000. So furniture is 2,000. 30 plus 32 is equal to 62 plus 2 is equal to 64,000. So that is what is considered here. Second effect, cash account debit side. We have already kept the place there ready. We are yet to consider the amount of amount column. So that is what we have considered, REALISATION. Yes. Okay. So first step, transfer of assets and liabilities. Yes, here transfer of assets to realization account as usual हो गया. Outside liabilities separate account, not realization account complete. Realization of asset is now complete. Now pay realization expenses. What is the amount of realization expenses? 6,000. Entry will be realization account debit to cash account. So realization account debit side, I'll write to cash account. into bracket expenses. Amount is 6,000. Second effect, cash account credit side by realization. Amount is 6,000. Okay. Next step is close realization account, find out profit or loss, transfer it to all the partners capital account in PSR. So let us close our realization account, find out profit or loss. I think the total is 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh is the total, which I will consider in the debit as well as on the credit side. I'll find out the balancing figure, which is going to be 36,000. 36,000 is the balancing figure that is to be transferred to all the partners in their profit sharing ratio. In this problem, the profit sharing ratio is equal, that is 1:1:1. So I'll consider here 12,000, 12,000 and 12,000. The names are Rane, Mane and Kane. Let me check. Yes, Rane, Kane and Mane. Okay, Rane, Kane and Mane. By partners capital account, go to partners capital account debit side, to realization account, 12,000, which is to be transferred to other two partners also, okay, because their PSR was equal. So close the realization account, find out profit or loss, transfer it to all partners capital account in PSR, complete. Next one, close partners capital account after receiving cash, if any, from their private estate. Check it out. Due to inability to pay to the creditors, the firm dissolved and Kane Mane cannot pay anything. Rane can contribute only rupees 3,000 from his private estate. Rane can contribute only rupees 3,000 from his private estate. So cash is coming in, debit what comes in, cash account debit to Rane's capital. Amount is how much? 3,000. Second effect, partners capital account credit side by cash account. Rane is 3,000. Okay. Next one, pay off the liabilities from the remaining cash or bank account, and cash or bank account will tally. So what is the cash available to us? Check it out. The opening cash was rupees 2,000, plus we got 64, that became 66, plus 3, that became 69. From 69 we have already spent rupees 6,000 for the purpose of realization expenses, and outside liabilities are creditors as well as Rane's loan. Rane's loan is a liability towards insider, that is our partner. Although it's a loan, it is not a loan from an outsider, it's a loan from the partner only. That means it will be repaid only after making payment of all outside liabilities. So we'll have to first of all focus on creditors. Creditors will specify that our amount is rupees 80,000. We don't have 80,000 rupees with us. The maximum amount we are having is 64 plus 2 is equal to 66. 66 plus 3 is equal to 69. 69 minus 6 is equal to 63,000. So we are having only rupees 63,000, which we will be transferring it to whom? To creditors, not to Rane's loan. Rane's loan will specify what I should do. Will specify, sorry, unless outsiders are being paid off fully, we cannot pay you the amount. So you'll have to wait. If there is a cash, then we will pay. If there is no cash, you'll have to forget that particular thing. Okay, so 69,000 was the total. 69,000 is the total, and creditors account debit side I'm going to consider to cash account. Amount is how much? 63,000 is the cash which is paid. 69,000 was the total, but 63,000 is the cash. So creditors will specify what about our remaining money, because our account was having a balance of rupees 80,000. You have just now paid rupees 63,000. There is a balance of rupees 17,000 still remaining to be paid to us. We'll specify, sorry, now nothing can be recovered from all other partners' estate. Maximum amount which you could recover was 3,000 rupees from Rane, and that's what we have already used now. So nothing is available. Please write off our amount in your books of accounts as bad debt. In creditors books we will become bad debtor, but in our books they will not become bad creditor. We'll call it as transfer it to deficiency account. So deficiency, CI to deficiency 17,000. So second effect will be transferred to deficiency account credit side by creditors. 17,000. One more outside liability is pending, one more liability is pending. The name of the liability is Rane's loan account. Rane's loan will specify, sorry, since we could not pay anything to our creditors, that is our outside liability, there is no question of we making any payment to you. So the balancing figure will be transferred here, 20,000 rupees. No cash can be paid to you. Please accept that this money is required to be foregone by you. पैसे को छोड़ दो, भूल जाओगे मतलब it will be considered as in your books as bad debts. In our books it will be called as to deficiency. So to deficiency rupees 20,000. Let us go to deficiency account credit side. We'll write here by Rane's loan account 20,000. Next step, close partners capital account after receiving cash if any. Pay off liabilities हो गया, close outside liabilities account हो गया. Close partners capital account, transfer the balance if any to deficiency account, and then deficiency account should tally. So let me close now. This realization account is closed, yes. Creditors account is closed, yes. Rane's account is closed, yes. Cash account is closed, yes. Only accounts pending are deficiency account and partners capital account. Let us close the same. Total of Rane on credit side is 13,000, debit side is 12,000. So 13 will come here. In case of Kane, total of debit is 12,000, so the total of debit will be 12,000 here. In case of Mane, total of debit is 32,000, so this 32,000 will come here. And then we'll consider here balancing figure will be 1,000, and balancing figure here will be 6,000 and 32,000. 6,000 and 32,000. This balancing figure should be transferred to which account? It should be transferred to our deficiency account, and finally deficiency account will tally. So here I'll write to deficiency account, and here also I'll write by deficiency account 6,000 and 32,000. So deficiency account debit side 6,000 and 32,000 to Kane capital, to Mane capital, and by Rane capital. Amount is how much? 1,000. ले लो हरि का नाम, कर लो deficiency account tally. 32 plus 6 is equal to 38,000, and 20 plus 17 is equal to 37 plus 1 is equal to 38,000. So our deficiency account is tallying. That means now we can say that the partnership has completed its work and has paid off the liabilities to the extent possible. Rest of the money is written off, and it has paid the partners capital also. In fact, it could not pay anything to partners because there is a deficiency. It was asking the partners to bring in money from the home, but partners did not bring in any money from the home, so automatically that was transferred to deficiency. So this is the problem of all partners being insolvent, and there are outside liabilities along with a liability of partners loan. Please remember, in the previous question we were having outside liability creditors and bank loan, and that bank loan was secured, if you remember properly. In this problem we are having creditors and Rane's loan, and this Rane's loan is a partner's loan because Rane is a partner, and it is not offered, it has not been offered any security by us, so the treatment is different. In the previous question we did not pay creditors full money, but we first of all paid full money to bank loan because bank was secured by stock and stock was realizing more money, so we fully paid bank loan and remaining money we paid to the creditors. In this case there are only two liabilities, creditors and Rane's loan. Rane's loan is partner's loan, so it will be paid only if outside liabilities are paid first. The order is paying outside liabilities, then paying partner's loan, and then paying partner's capital. So if the creditors are being told to go to deficiency, it means Rane's loan also will have to be transferred to deficiency. So a very important problem, a little bit different problem as compared to the previous one. I would surely recommend you, if you have not solved the previous problem with me, check the previous video, solve the problem, and then solve this problem also. It will be easy for you to understand what is the way in which the work of accountant changes when all partners are insolvent and liabilities are of different type. Okay, so thank you very much. Let us consider one more last question on the topic of dissolution, then I'll stop this topic and I'll go for the next topic. So thank you very much. See you in the next question.